misses.
Wait, now throw it.
It doesn't really work.
It won't break.
Yeah, throw it at me.
Bitch!
You can't even hit it.
Let me see.
There we go. We have nothing to do with our time.
We have no lives. He's gonna chase after me. He broke his... He broke his...
That's seriously the flag holder thing, you know, for like the American flag things, whatever. Just get some duct tape. I'm sure Daddy will notice. Yeah, watch him come home right now. Just go put it back in. Say Napoleon did it. That's what I do. Kind of blame everything on Napoleon.